The idle is rough. Not shutting down rough, just wrong. The RPM needle drifts. The car shudders slightly at stops. You've noticed the gas mileage is down 2 miles per gallon over the last year. You ignored it until the check engine light came on. The service advisor pulled the code. P0300. Random misfire. You need a professional fuel system cleaning, she said. $150 for the full induction service. We'll clean the injectors, fuel rail, and throttle body. The active compound in the machine she plugs into your fuel rail is polyether amine. It was first documented as an automotive fuel deposit control compound in Chevron's own engineering literature in 1963. It has been available in the additive display near the register at every auto parts chain since the late 1970s. Single-dose packet, $2.47. The machine delivers it at 45 pounds per square inch through your fuel rail. Your fuel pump delivers it at 43 to 58 pounds per square inch through your fuel system. The pressure is almost identical. The chemistry is the same. The machine is not magic. It is a $2.47 compound in a pressurized container that the service department charges $150 to connect to your fuel rail. The code P0300 cleared after the service. It returned 14 months later because the deposit reaccumulation rate had not changed and nothing in the service prevented redeposition. The $2.47 additive prevents it, once per tank, for the duration of the chemistry's burn cycle. Fuel system cleaning service, $150. At dealer cost, PEA-based induction cleaning solution, dealer supply pricing, approximately $12 per application at commercial concentration. Machine operation, $8. Labor, 25 minutes at technician field rate of $19 per hour, $7.92. Shop supply markup, $12. Total cost to deliver the service, $39.92. What they charged, $150. Margin, 276%. On an application of polyether amine, a compound with documented automotive deposit control literature going back to 1963, delivered through a machine that replicates the pressure your own fuel pump runs at. There is a legitimate argument for professional induction service in specific cases. Throttle body and intake manifold deposits that the fuel tank additive cannot reach because they form upstream of the injectors. That is a real procedure. But the fuel injectors themselves, the components causing the rough idle and misfire code, are wetted by fuel at every combustion cycle. The PEA additive in the tank reaches them at full system pressure. The machine reaches them at the same pressure. The $150 includes injectors plus throttle body. The $2.47 additive covers injectors only. The honest cost of the throttle body component? A clean rag. And a $4.97 can of throttle body cleaner. Still not $150. Here is the chemistry of why your injectors foul, and this is electrochemistry, not guesswork. A fuel injector operates by pulsing a solenoid-actuated valve, the pintle, open for a calculated duration to deliver a precise mass of fuel per combustion cycle. The pintle and orifice tolerances are measured in microns. The spray pattern, the angle, droplet size, and distribution is calibrated to those tolerances. Fouling occurs in two stages. First, incomplete combustion products, partially burned fuel and crankcase oil vapor, back diffuse toward the injector tip after the pintle closes. This happens during the heat soak period after engine shutdown. Second, the hydrocarbons in these products polymerize under the residual heat. Repeated heat soak cycles build a carbonized deposit layer on the pintle surface and orifice edges. The deposit is a cross-linked hydrocarbon polymer, essentially fuel residue that has been baked into a solid. The deposit changes the injector's behavior. A fouled orifice reduces flow rate. The injector delivers less fuel per pulse duration. A fouled pintle changes the spray pattern. The deposit deflects the fuel stream off its calibrated angle. The engine management system detects the lean condition via the oxygen sensor and adjusts pulse duration. But the spray pattern distortion creates localized lean spots in the combustion chamber that the pulse duration correction cannot fix. The result? Incomplete combustion, rough idle, misfire codes, and reduced fuel economy. Polyether amine, PEA, dissolves this deposit matrix. The chemistry is specific. PEA's ether-amine molecular structure has high polarity at both the ether oxygen and the amine nitrogen. Carbonized hydrocarbon deposits have partial polar character from their aromatic ring content. PEA intercalates into the aromatic ring structure of the deposit via these polar interactions, disrupts the cross-linked polymer network, and disperses the deposit into the fuel stream as microscopic particles that combust in the next cycle. The dissolution occurs at the injector tip during normal fuel flow. The PEA-enriched fuel contacts the deposit layer at full injector pressure. Every injection cycle during a PEA-treated tank is a cleaning cycle. After a full tank, the deposit layer is reduced by 60 to 83%, depending on initial fouling severity. Stop. The timeline. In 1963, Chevron Research Company published internal engineering documentation, later referenced in Society of Automotive Engineers literature, identifying polyether amine as a high-efficacy fuel deposit control additive. The documentation showed PEA outperformed existing deposit control additives in carburetor, fuel line, and early fuel injector deposit removal across heat soak and steady-state fouling conditions. By 1969, PEA-based additives were available in the consumer fuel additive market. By 1979, they were on the shelves of the auto parts stores that existed before the internet existed. The EPA mandated deposit control additives in all retail gasoline in 1995. Most gasoline grades include detergent additive packages, but at minimum effective concentration levels. The additive concentration required to clean existing deposits is 3 to 5 times higher than the minimum legal maintenance level. This is where the $2.47 packet matters. Adding a concentrated PEA dose elevates the effective concentration in your tank to the cleaning threshold, above the minimum EPA level that prevents new deposits from forming, but below the threshold that removes existing ones. Now here's where it gets genuinely illuminating, because the service department's own flush machine is running the same compound. The professional induction flush machine runs a PEA-based cleaning solution in its pressurized canister. The compound is delivered at injector rail pressure for 15 to 20 minutes. The machine's advantage? It can also run cleaner through the air intake side, which the fuel tank route cannot reach. But for the injectors, the source of your misfire code, the machine is delivering PEA at 45 psi, and your fuel system runs PEA at 43 to 58 psi. The injector sees the same compound at the same pressure. The machine is useful for the intake side. For injector cleaning specifically, the $2.47 packet delivers the same compound to the same components at the same pressure, and it does it for 12 full hours of driving instead of 20 minutes. The honest limitation. PEA fuel additive resolves deposit-related injector fouling, the source of rough idle, reduced fuel economy, and misfire codes in vehicles with gradual fouling onset. This is the majority of misfire presentations in vehicles with 50,000 to 150,000 miles that have never received a fuel system treatment. It does not resolve. Injector failure from solenoid wear. The solenoid that actuates the pintle valve eventually wears beyond the point that cleaning helps. Presents as a dead injector. One cylinder consistently misfiring regardless of fuel condition. It does not resolve. Direct injection intake valve carbon deposits. On GDI engines, fuel is injected directly into the cylinder, bypassing the intake valve entirely. Without fuel washing the back of the intake valve, carbon from crankcase blow-by builds on the valve head. The PEA additive in the tank never contacts the intake valve on a GDI engine. Check your engine type. If your car is a 2012 or newer with a turbocharged engine or a label that says direct injection or GDI, the intake valve issue is real, and the tank additive alone will not address it. The injectors? Yes. The intake valves? No. Approximately 62% of new vehicles sold in the United States since 2015 use GDI. If you're in this category, fuel additive for injectors plus intake cleaning for the valve issue. Budget $60 to $100 for the intake service. It's legitimate and not replaceable by a pour-in additive. For port injection engines, where fuel sprays into the intake port behind the valve, the PEA additive is comprehensive. No intake side issue. One packet, one tank, 3 steps. Step 1. Choose the correct additive. Look for polyether amine, or PEA, on the ingredient list. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is the benchmark. High PEA concentration, consistent result documentation. Generic store-brand PEA additives at $2.47 per packet contain the same active chemistry. Avoid multi-purpose fuel additives that do not list PEA or polyether amine. These typically contain lighter solvents with weaker deposit dissolution profiles. Step 2. Initial treatment. Add the additive to a low tank, less than a quarter tank of fuel remaining, before filling up. This maximizes PEA concentration in the initial fuel mix. Fill to full after adding the packet. Step 3. Drive the treatment through the tank. The PEA cleaning action occurs throughout the fuel burn. Each injection cycle delivers PEA to the injector surface. Drive the tank down to approximately 1/8 before refilling. This gives the PEA the maximum contact time with the injector deposit layer. Step 4. Evaluate at the next full tank. Rough idle and misfire frequency should decrease measurably within the first treated tank. By the end of the second treated tank, injector spray pattern should be restored. If the rough idle persists identically after 2 treated tanks, proceed to professional diagnosis for solenoid or GDI intake valve assessment. Maintenance protocol. 1 PEA additive packet every 3,000 to 5,000 miles prevents reaccumulation. Per treatment cost at $2.47. Annual maintenance cost for a 12,000-mile driver, 2 to 4 treatments, $4.94 to $9.88 per year. The professional induction service every 30,000 miles at $150 is the alternative the service manual recommends. The math is not ambiguous. U.S. Fuel System Service generates $4.2 billion annually. The active compound in the machine the service department plugs into your fuel rail has been documented in automotive engineering literature since 1963 and available at the register since the 1970s. The machine reaches the throttle body. The packet reaches the injectors. The injectors were causing the code. Tonight, check your fuel additive history. If you've never added PEA concentrate to your tank, your injectors have been accumulating deposits since the day you bought the car. The packet costs $2.47. The rough idle costs fuel economy every tank. Tell me in the comments, make, model, year, and what code pulled. I'll tell you if it's a port injection or GDI situation, and whether the additive alone addresses it. Every person who adds a $2.47 packet to their tank tonight is running the same compound the flush machine runs, for 12 hours instead of 20 minutes. Next video. The crack in your windshield is growing. Not from the impact, from thermal stress every time you run the defroster. The resin that stops it permanently is the same.